Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Afaq, and in this video I will be showing you one approach how we can find a journal. So in the last video I showed you three different ways, which was quite a general video. So I think it's quite important to utilize one feature of very renowned publishers because they provide a journal finder on their website. Traditionally if you check all the journals, it's quite difficult and quite time consuming. You cannot search all the journals, check their scope, and recently publish uh, papers on that. So here I'm going to discuss that one. So just go on Google and search Journal Finder. So you can see like we have ELSEVIER, WILEY, even Springer is there. So one by one I will be showing you that how we can search the journal for our paper. So this was my first paper, the impact factor paper that IU published back in 2019. So see how I followed that approach. First one is each publisher, it requires the title of your paper and abstract. So first I will copy uh, the title of my paper and go on, let's suppose, Springer, and copy paste that title of your paper, and then we have the abstract. So that's it. You can also select the area, but I'm just keeping this option open. So just click that suggest journals. Publisher, that is Springer, it provides you all those journals which are relevant to your paper. So the first one is Journal of Materials Science, Materials Electronics. Its impact factor is 2.478. At that time it was a bit low, and the first decision that this journal is provides is 32 days, and the acceptance rate was quite huge, that is 44%. And then the second journal is Journal of Material Science. Its first decision is 20 days, acceptance is 30%. And the third one is Cellulose, 5.044, impact factor is there. But when you are going to publish your first paper, it's quite normal that authors, they choose a journal whose acceptance rate is quite higher. So same was the case with me, and that's how I selected this journal. So just click that journal, and here it will directly take you to the website of that journal. So all these parameters are given. So you can see my paper, that is all range flexible and biocompatible humidity sensor based on PLGA and its application in human breathing for wearable health monitoring. So I think it was quite good journal, and it had a quite good match with my work that I did at that time back in 2019. So you can see it was already published in that journal, and I found this approach quite easy, and it really helped me because it took very less time to get it published. It's good to publish in those journals which are not only open access, because you have to pay huge amount to that journal. So normally it's a kind of myth, or sometimes it's also correct, that so new researchers they found getting their papers published in open access journals because they ask you for a huge amount of our publication fee, and their process is quite rapid. That's true, but we should give some time to find journals which are not open access, but and they are of course free, and they save a lot of money for you. So I think we should encourage our young researchers to find those journals which are free, and it also increases their capabilities to get their papers published in free access journals.